monitor the track, but right now, the way that this track is forecast, it is putting us right in the greatest chance for some significant impact in our area. So, as we take a look at the storm's path, it is now moving further to the east and more of a northerly track and may make landfall. Right now, it is projected to make landfall in southern New Jersey on Sunday afternoon as a Category 1 hurricane. So as we zoom in a little bit closer, we take a look. This hurricane will strengthen to a Cat 3 by 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday with 100-mile-per-hour maximum sustained winds. Fortunately, as it brushes the North Carolina coastline, it's going to lose some intensity and lose some strength and will be downgraded to a Cat 1 when it is projected to make landfall here in southern New Jersey at 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday, and will then have 75-mile-per-hour winds with gusts up to 90 miles per hour. Now, in the front right quadrant of the storm, that is where the strongest impact and the strongest part of the storm is located. So that's where you get the gustiest winds, and that's where you also get the heaviest rainfall. So we want to continue to monitor this, because what ultimately may happen is the greatest impact of the hurricane will be felt right here in the coastal parts of the tri-state area, and then conditions will improve as you go further inland. Nonetheless, it looks like we are going to have a significant impact from this storm if it continues on this track. The great news is it has not been consistent with its track, but with a Cat 1 storm, you may see storm surge of 4 to 5 feet along the coastline. Of course, coastal erosion, big issues with rip currents, and also coastal flooding, and wind speeds of 74 to 95 miles per hour. Now, let's go back a bit. We've got beautiful weather today. So before the storm, we're looking at gorgeous conditions. 79 degrees as the high temperature today, a little bit below the average. We've got clear skies on Fox 5 Sky Guardian, all due to high pressure to our south. Our winds are starting to shift from the west, where we've been enjoying low humidity and also plenty of sunshine today, and they're going to go to the southwest, which is going to pump in a little heat and also some humidity. 75 degrees right now in the city, 80 in Newark. Here's the 7-day forecast. Again, on Thursday, that's where our next frontal system moves through. We'll have higher humidity, also 86 as a high, and then we are watching Irene as we head into the weekend. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, that's where we may begin to see the effects, with Sunday being the brunt of it.